Load capacity demonstration, exploring comprehensive technological progression from manual processes through fully automated intelligent systems.
The optimization sequence 660.7 is running smoothly.
Look at the synchronization on axis 3. Data throughput is excellent.
Utilizing cutting-edge engineering, we've optimized efficiency, leading to operational excellence across the deployment.
Predictive maintenance system training complete. Final integration successful. Advanced automation protocols active.
Robotics development sequence showing precision robotics configuring actuator assembly and testing protocols utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment.
If you look at the telemetry here, the predictive algorithm reduced error by 12%.
That explains the speed increase.
Robotics development sequence showing sensor fusion technologies refining motion planning algorithm optimization and refinement utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment.
Look at the data flow on the primary nexus. The synchronization is flawless.
Indeed, the advanced automation protocols are fully engaged.
Run the pressure test sequence on the Z-axis.
Calibration complete. Values are stable within tolerance.
A robotics development sequence showing predictive maintenance systems programming and final system integration.
Analyzing the sensor array alignment on the x-axis. Drift is minimal.
Movement stabilization is holding steady. Confirmed.
Deploying final protocols.
The sensor fusion is fully optimized. We have achieved 99% path accuracy.
The refinement protocols are a success.
The debugging protocols stabilize the control software.
Confirmed. We're showing peak performance metrics now. Ready for deployment.
Network stability is holding steady.
And the adaptive intelligence compensated instantly. Operational excellence confirmed. Predictive maintenance confirms optimal performance across all parameters.
Excellent.
The data streams confirm the redundancies are active.
Yes, stress tests are optimal. Systems verified.
Robotics development sequence showing computer vision integration testing. End-effector customization and gripper calibration utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment.
All advanced protocols confirmed. We have operational excellence.
System deployment successful.
Predictive maintenance looks optimal. The system integration is flawless.
The motion planning refinement is stable. Sensor fusion is compensating for the increased velocity.
And predictive maintenance looks excellent.
There's an anomaly in the integration protocol. See the error on
I
screen.
see it. Adjusting the parameters now. The system is stable. Operational excellence achieved.
The AI performance metrics are holding at 99.8% optimal. We have full communication network stability.
Acknowledge.
Networked automation infrastructure training, performance benchmarking and efficiency optimization utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment.
The autonomous navigation system is fully configured.
We have achieved operational excellence. Confirmed.
The predictive analysis on 660.101 looks good.
Continuous improvement protocols confirmed. We are within operational parameters.
Check line 42, it's causing the integration error.
Okay, deploying the fix now.
The automation protocols look good.
Calibration sequence complete. The tolerances are well within operational parameters.
Excellent. Proceed with the deployment test.
The autonomous docking is flawless.
Agreed. The sustainable protocols are fully engaged.
The validation sequence is complete. We've achieved full operational excellence on the vision systems.
Comprehensive validation testing.
How is this impacting efficiency?
As you can see on the display, the precision capabilities have increased output by 20%.
Acknowledge the predictive failure in Sector 4. Initiate the remote update sequence immediately. All systems nominal.
Then speaking this.
The analysis reveals significant prioritization factors and labor optimization.
The ROI calculation.
Impetus toning Lisso. As you can see, our roadmap details significant advancements.
From AI enhancement, as the arm moves to position 3, monitor the voltage on the pendant.
What if the sensor shows an error during the weld?
The safety protocol will initiate a shutdown immediately.